हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्मार्ट प्रांजल। आज हम क्या सीखने वाले मालूम है? एडॉम्स। एडॉम्स मीन्स हिंदी में हम उसे कहावती कहते हैं। कहावती मीन्स जैसे एक कहावत मैं बताती हूँ आपको, नाच ना आए आंगन टेढ़ा। वैसे ही इंग्लिश में कहावतें होते हैं। देखो, एज रेगुलर एज क्लॉक वर्क मीन्स परफेक्टली रेगुलर आता है, उसके क्या कहते हैं? एज रेगुलर एज क्लॉक वर्क। अ वाइट एलिफेंट मीन्स समथिंग आउटडेटेड एंड यूजलेस. A hard nut to crack means a difficult problem to solve. A cock and bull story means unbelievable story जिसमें हम बिलीव नहीं कर सकते ऐसे. At one fell swoop means all at once. As fit as fiddle means very healthy. Above board means honest. As two peas in pod means two person with a very close resemblance. Means similarity. By the sweat of one's brow means through hard work. Bitter bit means to cheat a cheater. Few and far between means very rare. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. No room to swing a cat. Very cramped space to move about it. Once bread and butter. Once bread and butter means one's meals of livelihood. Within a stone throw means a short distance from. Then to be dog tired means to be completely exhausted. To break into means to enter illegally. A storm in a teacup fuss over an unimportant matter. A storm in a teacup. To burn one's finger. To suffer unpleasant result of an action. Then to go to the dogs means to be ruined. To lose no time means to act promptly. To keep at arm's length, to avoid. To call a spade and spade means to be very frank. To stamp out means to suppress or crush. To the core means right through. To pull one's socks up means to make a sincere effort. To play with a fire means to take foolish or dangerous risk. To play with fire. To pocket an insult means to bear an insult without protest. To keep the ball rolling. To keep the ball rolling is important one. To keep things going. To keep things going. To put on airs. To act in proud way. Then to come to terms, to agree. Cut and dried, fixed. To cry wolf, to pretend a danger exists. To be down in the mouth, to be very depressed. Then to cry wolf means to pretend a danger in exists. To be down in the mouth means to be very depressed. To keep in touch with, to maintain contact with. To raise the roof means to extremely angry. To add insult to injury means to make a bad situation even worse. Then to let the cat out of the bag means to tell the secret. To be at fault means to be blamed. Then 40 number, to face the music means to be ready to suffer the punishment. Then to have one's hand full means to be very busy. अगर कोई पर्सन बिजी है तो क्या बोलेंगे? टू to have one's hand full. Then to take the person or thing means to begin to like. To undergo a sea change, to undergo a complete transformation. To turn a deaf ear means to ignore. इस एडम्स का मीनिंग क्या है? टू इग्नोर. टू लीड अ कैट एंड डॉग लाइफ मीन्स टू बी ऑलवेज क्वारलिंग. जैसे कैट और डॉग कैसे लड़ते रहते वैसे. वेट ब्लैंकेट मीन्स वन हु डिस्ट्रॉय द enthusiasm of other. Then to catch one's eye. To catch one's eye is important. To draw one's attention. To draw one's attention. लोगों का ध्यान अपनी तरफ खींचना. Attention. A fish out of water. A person who is placed in a strange and uncomfortable position. To nip in the bud means to stop something before it has chance to get established. Then to have the game in one's hand. To be sure of success. This is also important. Then a storm in a teacup means fish over nothing. A hard nut to crack means a difficult problem to solve. At the 11th hour means इसका मीनिंग है at the last moment. To be down to earth means to be very sensible.